Hey, Steve Gardner here. Just want to do a quick video on selling costs. If you list or sell a property in the state of Florida, some costs that some sellers aren't aware of, other than if you're using a realtor, which I recommend, obviously, you should, are generally, other than brokerage fees, are going to be title insurance and doc stamps to the state of Florida. A lot of sellers don't realize this. Doc stamps to the state of Florida. When you sell a house, let's say you sell for $300,000. You owe this based on the sale price. You owe the state of Florida 70 cents per hundred on the dollar. So a $300,000 home, 70 cents per hundred, that would be $2,100 to the state of Florida. No way to avoid it. The other cost that is traditional for a seller is title insurance. Now, some areas of Florida, like in Miami, they flip that on the buyer side. But for the most part, it's pretty common, 85 to 90% in the state of Florida, that will be a seller cost. What that means is when you sell your home, keep this in mind, you are going to have to provide to the seller free and clear title. So that's called title insurance. So you can close with an attorney or a title company. I recommend good title companies. I have some great ones. Would be happy to give you some of those recommendations, especially here in the greater Daytona Beach area. And title insurance is basically when that new owner takes possession of the house, you are giving them a title insurance policy that ensures that the house is free and clear of any liens. Uncle Ray in the mountains doesn't own half of it that you didn't know about, that sort of thing. So, and if there is an issue in the future, 10 years down the road or 5 years down the road or 3 years down the road, when that new owner goes to sell and something pops up, well, guess what? That's now on the title insurance company. You provided them that. So that's an additional cost. It's usually not as much as doc stamps, but keep in mind it's going to be around that range, like 0.7% of the whole total cost of the sale as well. Maybe a little less than that. But anyway, I hope you found this useful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to answer them about anything about selling your home. Thank you. Take care.